Welcome everyone! Your iPhone 16 Pro Max's screen is not responding to touch. So you try and swipe, you click the power button, nothing's working. So the fix is quite simple. I'll show the key combination, then we'll do it together. So what you need to do is click release volume up, then click release volume down, then click and hold the power button, keep this one held down until you see the Apple logo, then release. So pause the video, prepare your phone. I'll begin in 3, 2, 1. Click release volume up, click release volume down, click and hold the power button, keep this one held down, do not release. If your screen's fully frozen, you will not see the slide to power off, but what you will see is the screen will go black eventually, and then once we see the power button, we can release. Now this key combination is quite strict, so it might take multiple attempts. Just rewind the video, click the buttons with me if it doesn't work the first try. Now real quick, YouTube do not promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.